Okay, expressing one quantity as a percentage of another. So, for example, let's see. Okay, so 1 year, the price of a small chocolate bar is 16 pence. The following year, the price is 12 pence, and you want to know what percentage change that is. Okay, now the percentage change is 4 pence. So what we've got here is, you always think about your original. Okay, your original is always going to go on the bottom of what is going to become a fraction. So you've got a fraction over here, your original goes on the bottom, and your new value or amount is going to go on the top. Okay, here we've got 16 is the original amount, 12 is the new value. Okay, so to work out what percentage that is, we've got 12 over 16. Now I'm looking to either multiply this number up to 100, and then whatever the numerator is, or the corresponding numerator is, that's going to be my percentage, or I'm looking to simplify it so that I can eventually multiply it up to 100, or at least recognise what percentage it's going to be. They both got a factor of 4, so we'll divide both by 4. I've got 3 over 4. Right, 3 over 4 is 75%. Okay, everybody should be able to see that. Well, maybe not everybody. Okay, so that's going to be equal to 75%. So from 1 year to the next year, the second year is 75% of the value of the first year, which means that if somebody was asking you what the percentage reduction would be, then the percentage reduction is going to be 25%. Right, what if they give you something a little bit more difficult? Perhaps something with a decimal in it. So we could say, what is the percentage of, let's say, 92 pence out of, let's say, £20. Okay, so I want to know what the percentage of 92 pence out of £25 is. So what I'm going to do here is, this is going to be a calculated question. Again, I start with my fraction. I've got 92 pence over £20. I've got different units there, so I have to solve that first. I'm going to have everything in pounds, I think. So 92 pence is 0.92 pounds over 20. Okay, if I've got a calculator, then all I need to do is multiply this by 100%, and then whatever happens when I multiply all these numbers up is going to be my answer. So I could do 0.92 times 100 then divide by 20, or I could do 0.92 divided by 20 then times by 100, or I can do 100 divided by 20 then times by 0.92. Okay, probably the easiest thing to do is 0.92 divided by 20 on your calculator, in which case here you're going to get 0.046 times 100%. Okay, when you then multiply 100 by 0.46, you get 4.6%. Interestingly, that there is the multiplier for 4.6%. So what some people may be seeing straight away or recognising is this connection between the multipliers and the decimals.